Oops, my brain stopped again.
The planet seemed eerily calm as the approach of the robot bounty hunters was awaited fearlessly by the three brave outlaws.
Deploying support weapon. Deploying equipment package.
They approach.
Found something.
Anchor evil alien from the belly of planet Trinity! Earth is not your salad!
Okay, Lumpy, let's try batter Ed on the door and finish it off! You'll never take us alive!
Cafe au lait! Take this! And this! And that! Up your nose! Your mother wears army boots! Take this! And this! None of this makes enough masonry! Lothar has spoken. A snake will defeat you! Cafe au lait! Take this! And this! Take this! Evil! Earth is not your salad board! Hot potato! Out! Hi, Eddie!
Whoop-de-doo, Ed.
Ha-ha! Anchor evil alien from the belly of planet Trinity! I am Ed! She's a macaroni! Trouble! Bad! Bad! Ouch! Ouchie! I am Ed! She's a macaroni!
Hurry! We gotta get to the candy store!
North to Alaska, here I go! A snake will defeat you! Cafe Olay! Evil! Take this! And this! And that! Up your nose! Your mother wears army boots! Take this! Ouchie! Tally ho! You torment me! Gentle as a kitten in a tree.
In honor of my ancestors! Shablaka!
Oh, raw's pretty good for a picnic, man.
Slow it down! Curse this monkey with wearing his word!
Take belly!
Come on, Luffy!
Wait for me!
Caught in a vortex of impending doom!
Someone coming crashers! Hit him hard! Oh, Nico! Chop, chop! Whoa, Nelly! Evil!
Okay, no, get a deep breath. Deep breath.
Someone coming crashers!
Keep shooting, Double D!
Take this! I like to smash stuff. Something old and something new. Something rubber, something glue. To the victors! The spoils will smell. Take this! North to Alaska, here I go!
I no longer see the merit of this endeavor.
Drop anchor, evil alien, from the belly of planet Futurity! Uninjured, unscathed, and uncola!
I'm a team.
No thanks are necessary!